Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the mid-month of June 2021. We will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so I'll check out your past, present and future energies in this reading, and at the end of the reading I'm going to take out one card from this crazy sexy love notes deck, and we will see what is the message for you from your higher self. All right, let's see now what is the guidance for Libras for mid-month of June 2021. Libras. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right, let us see. For my Libras, what is going on for my Libras mid-June 2021? Please, if your one video is not resonating, you can check other signs as well, as like your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs also. You can check those. All right, and if you want to book an appointment with me, a tarot appointment, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. All right, now let's get started. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Nine of Pentacles energy. So this is your energy, what I feel, or this can be your person as well. But yes, the overall energy in this reading is the strong independence. You know, when a person feels fulfilled, like I have done a lot in my life. This is more of a financial independence as well, because after this the Ten of Pentacles comes. So yes, I am seeing that your energy is revolving around money, stability right now, and that is why you are really working hard for yourself at this time. You need to focus on yourself. That is the basic idea from this card. Okay, in the past we have the Three of Pentacles, Four of Rods and the Ace of Swords. So see, what I feel is there was a situation in which you worked really hard. Okay, so there were clarifications involved in the situation. This might be you and a person with whom you were clarifying some stuff. Yes, there were collaborations, they were talking things out situation, you know, when you were used to talk out the things with your person, with your family. So this family can be involved. This could have been a marriage in which you collaborated, or you know, you were communicating, you were going to engage or something like that. A new journey was going to start somewhere. Okay, so that is why new things, partnership coming up in marriage, in whatever, in agreements, I would say. But yes, there was a strong, many people involving energy I'm getting. At the present we have the King of Pentacles, the High Priestess and the Page of Swords. So yes, there is still, it's like a lot is going on. Okay, whether it is in terms of money or whether it is in terms of some court case or something like I'm really getting strong vibe of the stuff working through online stuff. That is what is going on. I'm going to clarify in a bit, because there are so many energies which are coming up right now. We will clarify. In the coming future we have the Chariot, Three of Swords and Strength. So it is looking that there is a lot of strength involved for moving forward from a certain situation. This might be you, might be your person, might be some other person who is really involved in moving forward to a next level where you really want to go, and there's a need of, you know, inner strength. Because you know, the beautiful thing with the Chariot and the Strength card is like, in both the things the strength is involved, but this is the inner strength. Strength talks about the inner and Chariot talks about the outer strength, which you do it physically, and this is the inner. So yes, so you are really getting the vibes of, you know, just like you're collecting all the vibes, all the guts for a decision making to go forward. And that is why your inner strength and your outer strength both are required in that situation. I really feel that this might be a separation from somebody for which you are really working, and you are gathering your strength for that thing. Okay, let's clarify now. Okay, let's see this Nine of Pentacles. Why is there in the overall energy for my Libras? Nine of Pentacles. It has come with the Three of Cups, Nine of Wands, and the World card. All right. It looks like you are really, a situation where you are really working hard for yourself, I would say, or this is a situation in which you are the only one who is working independently for a certain situation. You are alone, you are really working on that stuff, but the people are involved. As I already told you, that in the past also and in the present also, there are some people who are involved in this situation. Either you are blocking those people around you, you are just not letting them come through, talk to you. Socially disconnection I'm really getting, because you are really involved so much independently that you are disconnecting socially from other people, from the world around, with the world energy as well coming up here. So I'm really getting that thing, that your whole energy is really focusing on yourself at this time. No people involved, I don't need anyone at this time. That is where you are moving forward. Let's clarify why your energy is so alone right now. But I'm really not getting this alone kind of energy. It's like where you are really happy to be alone, because you have seen a lot of shit around you, whatsoever people are doing, people are going through, whatsoever. Okay, so that is why I'm really getting this energy. All right, so in the past we have the Three of Pentacles. So I want to really check why the Three of Pentacles is here. So Three of Pentacles clarified by Four of Wands and the Three of Swords. So yeah, why the Three of Swords was in your future as well. I think this situation is going from the past only, the same situation for which you were working on. So this can be a situation in which might be a healed marriage, a healed communication, a healed relationship, a healed partnership, something which was already broken, it healed again. Because see, Four of Wands is again 4 and 4 of Wands with the 8 of, so it has become the 8 of Wands. That means more communication. So I'm seeing that yes, there was some clarity because of a certain situation, because why a person has left you or you left a person. So there was a situation like that where you were separated, then you both had a conversation or a communication, and you sorted out things. Then again there is some separation again. Okay, so or the separation is coming towards the future. That is what I'm really getting here. Let's clarify this Ace of Swords in your past energies. Why is this Ace of Swords here? What kind of clarification was involved with you? Seven of Wands. So somebody was here who was taking his or her stand for the situation. And the Lover's energy, yes, I think whatever that clarification was, this was temporary. I don't see it long term. Okay, we clarify for a certain reason, for our selfishness or so, because whosoever this person is, this can be you, can be another person, but yes, there was some selfishness involved in the situation. this person was really fighting for himself or herself rather than the relationship, which I'm getting. I don't know, but I'm really getting those vibes of some selfishness energies. Okay, so I want to clarify the present energies. Why this King of Pentacles here in the present energies? The Hanged Man. I feel that this is not your energy. This is some other person's energy. Might be a Taurus or a Pisces. So with whom you are dealing right now, this person is really at a state where nothing has been done. Okay, it's like I cannot do anything. So this person might be hanging for a decision making, might be hanging for something. Okay, a decision which is pending already, and somebody wants to work on that decision. But the best thing right now is to just keep quiet, keep shut, and that is why there's a strong no communication area, which is what I'm getting. Why the High Priestess is here in the present situation? The Magician and the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm really getting a strong Libran, a strong person who is working on himself or herself. That is what I'm really getting here, Libras. Either you're working on yourself or you're working for your higher self. When we just, it's not only about money, it's about what is going on. You might be entering into the same cycle again and again with a certain person or with a certain situation, that or a situation which is happening but with different people sometimes. So you are going through a same zone. We are working for that thing, we are separating, we are working for it, and then we are separating again, and that is why you are not able to understand what is happening. So this is why the Tower energy, so this is why this Hanged Man is here. I'm really getting it. It's somewhere it is you as well, because you are not able to decide for a certain situation in your life, and that's fine, I guess. People are not able to take some decisions, so at that time just be quiet. It's much better sometimes to be quiet. Let me clarify this Page of Swords energy in the present. Knight of Cups with the Star energy. Wow, this is good. So this is a new person might be coming into your life, or you might be connecting with somebody old in your life. This is a strong stalking energy as well. I'm really getting a vibe of a person who is trying to connect to the past person, might be stalking somebody from the past and wanting to communicate with them. I don't know for whom this energy is here, but this has come up. Just take as it resonates. So somebody is trying to connect with you, or you might be getting some messages or something like that. Okay, calls from your past with the strong reconciliation energy coming up, where somebody wants to communicate or talk to you, or you want to talk. It can be anything like that. Okay, so let's do the future energies now. What is going on, what is going to happen, because this is strong. Why the Chariot is here? Why the Chariot energy is here? Seven of Pentacles. I see that you are no longer ready for investing in a certain situation, as you have already invested your energies and your time in that situation. So you are not ready to work on that, and you are ready to move on. You are moving on from certain situation, Libras. Yeah, you are ready. See, Three of Swords energy. You are really ready for moving on energy, because that is what your inner energies are also telling. You might be really in some toxic situation, or this does not has to be toxic. It can be something which is really out of your peace of mind. It is not working for you anymore. So that is why you are taking this decision of just let it go, and I really need to move on. I want to clarify the Strength card. The Judgment. See, strong decision making is pending, and it is not pending anymore, because your present energies are really, I'm really seeing slow energies in the present, which is you might be making up your mind, or you are just not doing anything, not communicating with anyone with whom you used to communicate, or you had to communicate, but you're not communicating with that person anymore. And that is why you might be stalking this person, or they might be stalking you, vice versa, please. Okay, so this is what is happening around you. The decision making is still pending in your part, but it's not anymore in the coming future. What I'm seriously getting that, yeah, it is a decision making which you are going to take, which was needed. And now, because the judgment card is here, so that is a strong possibility of you taking a decision for yourself, and you have to make that decision. Okay, so let's take out one card for you. Okay, so this is the message from your higher self. So this is a message will be regarding, because for this situation, okay, in which you are going through, from which you are going through. I'm going to take the message for you right now. One message please for my Libras. One message for my Libras. Okay, so the message for you is be present. Okay, so I'm going to read this for you. Your full presence is the greatest gift you can give yourself and others. Life is happening right now in this moment. Today is the only day that matters. Anchor yourself in the now and give it your all. Notice the details and drink the sweetness. Be present. So you can take a screenshot of the card and you can read it again the way you want, but yes, this is a message for you. Be present. Do not, anxiety, because of anxiety you ruin your future. Basically you are ruining your present for the future if you are becoming those anxious qualities, if you are having that kind of a certain thing. Yes, do not think about the past, do not worry about the future, be present. That is what it is for you. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.